Welcome to Compiler Designing Lab. I am Nitin Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department, SSBT's College of Engineering and Technology, Bamburi, Jalgaon. Today we'll learn about the second practical of Compiler Designing Lab. That's one implementation, a lexical analyzer for identification of number. So let us start with a directly program. So I have a complete skeleton of a program. It's a similar to the first program of compiler designing. Just I introduce the regular expression for the numbers in this practical. The aim of practical just identify the numbers. This is a one file in which I given some number, and that should be identified by using uh, this program. So which type of the numbers are there? The binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, floating and exponential number. So how to write the regular expression for this number? So there is a one hierarchy. First you have to write the regular expression for the binary number, then octal number, then decimal number, then hexadecimal number, then float and exponent. So hierarchy we have maintained for the four type of a number because of what he binary number is a subset of octal, decimal or hexadecimal number. Then octal is a subset of decimal and hexadecimal number. Again, decimal number is a subset of hexadecimal number. So we want to maintain the hierarchy in these four types of the number. First we have to recognize, you should define and give the rule for binary, then octal, then decimal, then hexadecimal. So let us see how to write the regular expression for the binary number. The binary number contain only two numbers, 0 and 1. So that the regular expression for the binary number 0-1 plus means any combinations of 0 and 1. Not any, but at least one should be there. Then octal number 0-9. From 0 to 7 number is occupied under the octal number. That's a plus, means at least one number should be there from 0 to 7. Then for the decimal number 0-9 plus. Then for hexadecimal number, you know that 0-9 A to F plus. Then for the floating, there is some complications is there. Whether first you have to recognize this is plus or minus. Yeah, minus or plus, it's optional. It's denoted by question mark. Then 0-9 star means what? Here the existence of 0-9 is from epsilon to any natural number, means that's existence any combinations of 0-9, that's contain also null symbol. Then this slash tell us this is also optional. This is also optional. Then dot sign is there. Then again any combination of 0-9. If we consider the floating number, this one is a floating number, so there is a plus or minus is optional, means in this floating number I am not giving any sign, there I given the minus sign. Then there is a dot, then 5, then there is a number. So this is the format of a float number. Then we think about the exponential number. The exponential number is like this. This one is exponential number, this one is exponential number, and this is also exponential number. So for that we think in this way, plus or minus is optional. Then any combinations of 0 to 9, that is completely optional. Then dot sign. Then this is also optional, from 0 to 9 plus any combinations of 0 to 9. At least one number is there from 0 to 9. That's a plus sign, indicate that at least one number is there. Then these question marks is say that before this point, and this point also is a optional, is a optional. I again repeat is कि this sign is optional, minus or plus. Then any combinations of 0 to 9, it may or may not be there. Then point, so this whole parts is optional by indicating this question mark. Then at least one number is there from 0 to 9. Then small e or capital E is there. Then again this plus, minus and plus is optional. Then again any combination, means at least one combination of 0 to 9. So that's also optional. So we get the exponential number. We get the exponential. So this is a definition part. Then we call the this definition by using this rule. So the rule is very simple. We just give the variables of definition: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, float, and exponential. By invoking that one by YY text, and we show this output. Then this is a similar part we already discussed in practical 1 for file handling. So let us run this program. The first command is lex. I save this program by name program2.l. then cc lex.yy.c space link to the lex library, then dot /a dot out, then input. I given the name for the file is input, and I am not explain any extension that file. So obviously it will take the .txt. I get the output. So if I compare with the file input, so I get everything. Input means first is a octal number from 0 to 7, then second one is a binary number, then again third one is a octal number, then this is a decimal number, then this is a float number, then this is exponent number, then again this one is a exponent number, then this is a float number, and before that dot all are options, so that dot 3 4 5 also floating number, and here also a floating exponent number because it's contain the e. So this is the output of second program. Program is too simple, just we want to recognize the numbers by using the regular expression. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.